I just got off the train. It's there. And I am now in Hong Kong train station because I just got off the flight. There are Airport Express shuttle bus that you can avail if you use the train service. So I paid 115 Hong Kong dollars to get here, and then here is the list of the hotels. So this is the Hong Kong train station. I just got here from the airport, and this is the station for the free shuttle bus. This is where you wait for free shuttle bus for hotel connections. So in every station there is station for free shuttle bus to hotels. So you just need to avail the train service. So I paid 115. If you are in Hong Kong and are staying in a hotel, I think the cheapest and easiest way to get to your hotel is actually taking the train and then take the free shuttle bus or the hotel connection bus. So you have to find out which station is the nearest to your hotel and then get off to that station. And then as soon as you get off the train, after you pass the security gate, there will be a station or a concierge for free shuttle bus. So you just have to find out which bus to take, and then it will show you how many stops, or you can also ask the concierge. So this is the chart, and you can see these are the hotels. So this is my hotel. So the stations are there. There's H2, H3, and H1. There's also concierge where you can ask. So you just take this bus. So there, it's in 13 minutes they will arrive, and it's for free. You can get to your hotel for free from the train station. So this is the bus that I need to take. It's every 20 minutes, and it will be here in 13 minutes. So my bus is early. It said in the screen 6 minutes, but the driver called me to come and get in the bus, but I don't think it will leave early. So what the shuttle bus for hotel connections look like. Later in that screen it will display the stop, so you will actually know where to stop. So wear your seatbelt, no eating or drinking, and it's also really safe. There are cameras, so you don't have to worry, and you make sure that you are in the right bus. So at the airport, when you pay for the train, they will give you this. It's your ticket. Make sure that you keep that, because when you get off the train, you will not be able to pass through the security gate if you don't have this, because you need to swipe this. And then you might also need to show this to the bus driver if you are going to take the free shuttle bus to get to your hotel. So I checked earlier. Uber will cost around 350 Hong Kong dollars to go to my hotel, which is the IBIS hotel. And the train is only 115, so it's less than half the price. So I really think this is the cheapest way to get to any hotels here in Hong Kong.
赴會上環店，下一站宜必思香港中上環酒店。Next stop, IBIS, Hong Kong Central and Shanghai Hotel. IBIS 香港中上環酒店。
They are obliged to stop and open the door in every stop.
IBIS, Hong Kong Central and Shanghai Hotel.
There's no... Ooh, my hotel is right there. And if there's no passenger. Thank you. Okay. Ooh, there's Starbucks right outside my hotel. I think my hotel is here. Nice. That's beautiful. Reception. What? Reception. Crazy. Reception is on the 5th floor.